In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Sheets on a Windows PC. First, let's quickly clear up one important point. Google Sheets is mainly a web-based application, which means it runs in your browser rather than as a traditional program you install like Microsoft Excel. However, you can set it up so it feels like a dedicated app on your Windows computer, is easy to access, and even works offline. That's exactly what we'll walk through together. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your Windows PC. This can be Chrome, Edge, or any modern browser, but using Google Chrome will give you the best experience, especially for offline use. In the address bar at the top, type Sheets, google.com, and press Enter. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, the page will ask you to log in. Go ahead and sign in so you can access your spreadsheets. Once Google Sheets has loaded, you'll see your recent spreadsheets and the option to create a new one. Before we turn this into an app-like experience, it's a good idea to make sure the page loads correctly and everything looks normal. If it doesn't, try refreshing the page or checking your internet connection. Now, let's create an app-style shortcut. If you're using Google Chrome, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the 3 vertical dots to open the menu. From there, hover over the More Tools option, and then choose the option that lets you create a shortcut or install the page as an app. When the small window appears, make sure the option to open it in its own window is selected. This makes Google Sheets behave more like a standalone program rather than just another browser tab. Confirm your choice, and Windows will create an app icon for Google Sheets. You should now see a Google Sheets icon in your Start menu, and possibly on your desktop or taskbar, depending on your settings. If it's not pinned to the taskbar and you want quick access, right-click the icon and select the pin option, so it's always one click away. For offline access, open Google Sheets in Chrome, click the main menu in the top left of the Sheets homepage, and look for the Settings option. There, you can enable offline mode, so recent files are available even without an internet connection. From now on, just click the Google Sheets icon on your Windows PC, and it will open in its own window, just like a regular desktop application.